Hey everyone, it's Saturday and we're here at 220 School Street for your open house quick tour of a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom colonial in Millington, Maryland. This beauty sits on a nice corner lot and backs to wide open farmland, so you get the benefits of not only living in a very cute neighborhood, but with no HOA, you get the benefit of being backed up to some little peace and privacy. So you can be outside on your big oversized patio enjoying the space, or you can sit on your covered front porch and watch the neighbors and kids stroll by or ride their bikes by on the concrete sidewalks, streetlights, to the local pool, tennis courts, pickleball courts, basketball courts, and playground. So lots of great town amenities as well as a beautiful home inside. Check out this great entertainer's kitchen, which I'm in now. You've got cabinets that wrap around a gorgeous setting and a huge center island there, which is great for entertaining. We've got an attached 1-car garage, and there's the outside and that oversized patio I was telling you about. Next, you've got a gas fireplace, which we walk through in your living room, and a front bonus living room space. So let's head upstairs and I'll show you a great large luxury master suite. Okay, we've made it to the top, and behind me here you're noticing the attached full bathroom to the primary suite with a giant corner soaking tub, dual vanities, and a walk-in glass shower behind the door. This primary bedroom also has 2 walk-in closets, so you've never run out of space, and it's easy to organize, both his and hers. Walking through, there are French doors that lead to the master space, as well as you have an upstairs laundry room. Talk about convenience, and then 2 ancillary bedrooms and another full bath here in the hallway. There's nothing but space here, and it's a great starter home. Not to mention, this property is priced at $325,000. So you get all the town amenities, a beautiful property, and at a great price. So don't forget to stop by 220 School Street in Millington, Maryland.